Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a super motivating one. It is a quick clean with me, but I wanted to come to you guys and let you know that not every day I want to clean my house. I'm not always motivated, although I have a cleaning channel. I don't always walk around with a smile on my face and love scrubbing toilets, but I also do not want to go to sleep with my house looking like this. As you can see, it looks like a bomb blew up in here and I've got to tackle it. And also, yes, that is a chocolate milk glass that I had in here from this morning in my bathroom. Got to take care of all of this stuff, guys. So I really just wanted to come here and let you know that you're not alone. We've got to motivate each other. I've got a ton of friends here on YouTube that have cleaning channels, and I'm always looking to them for motivation, and it truly does help. So I want to be that for you guys. If you need some motivation to just do a quick cleanup around your house today, but you really aren't in the mood for it, believe me, I got you. So I'll be honest with you. Always, I've got some music on or a podcast or something like that. And also on this day, I decided to crack me a beer. I have worked all week long and then I come home and take care of this house and I deserved it. It helped me calm down a little bit. It relaxed me. It put me in a good mood. Bodie and I even had a little dance party in the kitchen. You guys will have to stick around and see that. But for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and tackle this living room. Now, I'm not going to go through the entire house, just the parts that really need attention right this minute. That's another thing. If you guys want to just spend like 5 or 10 minutes in each room, just putting some attention on things that you can physically see, just get things picked up and put away, maybe a quick vacuum, a quick dust, that is perfectly fine. You don't have to spend your entire day cleaning all the time. A lot of us work outside of the home. A lot of us work from home. A lot of us are mothers and our day is just filled with a whole bunch of other stuff. So we don't always have to spend all of our time doing this. And you guys know that I use my weekends for all of my deep cleaning, but oh man, this house really needed some attention. So I figured I would bring you guys along with me if you wanted to take 15 minutes and get your house picked up too.
Always I remember your bad dress and how you turned my mind completely into such a mess. So easily. And it really came as no surprise. You look beyond comparing every time that I came close to making a move. I froze. I always
now I've moved on into the kitchen, and I really just wanted to get all of this stuff kind of picked up, get my dishwasher started and all of the countertops wiped down. So I had a lot of boxes like from mail and things like that I needed to take care of. And here's my one beer that I had that day. It is Tulane, and I want to say that it's from like Luke Bryant, I think. I'm not quite sure. You guys are gonna have to look it up, and I could be lying about that, but it's really good. If you like a light lager, then you'll really enjoy it. It's almost like a land shark, but it's really good. It's kind of hard to find, but if you can find it, definitely pick it up if you enjoy things like that. Also, of course, drink responsibly, over 21 only. I always feel like I have to put stuff like that in there. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and get everything out of this kitchen. That way I can start to wipe everything down, and I'm going to move on into the bathroom afterwards.
Got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling low, nothing to lose. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. Oh, don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. We were on top of the world, had time that we wasted. We were young and so dumb. I knew that you were the one, played our songs all the time. Can we say it tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't come back. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again. You know that I don't wanna feel this way again. So let's pick up the pieces that we left unsaid. I know the tension's gone now, and that you won't stay here. Keep looking back, don't wanna forget you. Yeah, I wanna do it all again, so I keep pushing rewind. Hoping you'll still by my side. We can't get lost in time. But don't you wanna do it all again? Stuck on repeat in my mind. Dancing with you by my side. We can't get lost in time. Yeah, I wanna do it all again.
Okay, you guys, so I have a little bit of a confession to make, but I have recently become obsessed with doing the baking soda and what is that? Cleaning vinegar in my sinks. It just makes it smell so much better. Like, we don't have a disposal, so anything that's in there, it's just down in there. So I always want to try to make sure that I get that cleaned out like every week. That way also, if I've got, stuff just stuck in there, that it doesn't mess up my drains. But I have become slightly obsessed with doing that. I also got some new Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommies. I absolutely love these. So I wanted to go ahead and make sure that I got those switched out. And then I cleaned off my dining room table, and I don't know why, but since I've gotten this table, I've always wanted to, well, not always, but I always now want to like fold my clothes on it. I don't know why. The other table, I had no, desire to do so. And also, like throughout my life before, I never did that. I always folded my clothes like on my bed or maybe on the couch. I don't do the couch now because of all the dog hair and I just don't want it on my clothes. But I just love having this table here. That way I can use it for my clothes. So I want to know if you guys use your table for folding clothes or if it's just something weird that I've just started with myself. I don't know. Anyway, I'm rambling, but I do love to do that now, and it just helps me out so, so much.
My dear friend, where have you been? Where have you gone? What did you win? Someone there, are you listening? Is it too late? My dear friend, we felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. My dear friend, you know I give in. Been waiting so long to feel it. All of these years I've been listening. Are you all so numb? Do you still pretend? We felt the sunshine, we found the gold. We thought we'd be forever young, but now I know we can't keep floating, we have to fall. This is the beat of broken hearts, is it all lost? We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. Caught up in the flashing light, keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast.
So I hope you guys liked our little dance party. We were just excited that everything was done and clean. As you can see, it did not take me long at all. Everything looks so much better. So I hope this gave you some motivation to get up and just get a few things done today. I'm always here for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. But I'm going to go for now. I love you and appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Bye.